Alright, what's good with y'all? Buenas noches, mi gente. Today I'm gonna be playing this game called Beyond the Shelf. Sounds pretty interesting type of shit. I gotta stop saying that, bro. I've been saying that way too much recently. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be playing this bitch. I should probably turn the volume up. See what the fuck gonna happen. Why is it so dark? Good morning. Who the fuck tells himself good morning? I'm hungry. Alright, that's cool. What the? Oh, it's just a bird. Kind of a stale looking bird, I can't lie. Anyways, let's open up the fridge. Does the fridge have a fucking lock or something? Anyways. Yeah, kind of a stale looking bird, and yeah, it's time to eat my fucking Cheerios and get back into bed type shit. I'm pretty dirty. I need to clean. Alright. Into rats. That was some work. That was not some work, young man. You do not need a break. You need to keep on moving, young man. Maybe some TV will help clear my head. Alright, that's a pretty good idea. Yo, turn this bitch on, bruh. This shit don't fucking work. Boop. Where the fuck is the remote? That's their cat food. Do I eat that? Yo, bro, turn the fucking TV on. I wanna watch SpongeBob. No signal. Switch to channel. Okay, end up. What the f? Alright, that's pretty cool. Time to help the bird. With what? Nah. I'm watching this. This is the shit that SpongeBob had playing when all the jellyfish had was pulling up to the function type shit. This is where Tom and Jerry reside. And yeah, that's where I live. Totally. There's a fucking shopping cart in my backyard. Time to take care of you, buddy. You're all that I've got. And yourself. It's late. I should sleep now. Damn, that fast? Hi, John. What did you just call me? Was that you that called me John? Anyway, it's time to go to sleep. What the fuck keeps on leaving all these messes, bro? What the fuck? I'm hungry. Open this bitch up. Drop the food. Eat. Clean. Watch. Feed. Alright. That's a cycle type shit. What the fuck is this place? Where'd he go? The bird? That was some. It was not some work. Oh, this shit fucking sucks, bro. Put on the shit I made. Never mind. Put on that Tom and Jerry type shit. Yeah, so it was the bird that called me John. Fuck. bitch. Gonna go outside. Alright, well I guess I'm just gonna go to sleep while Archie brings all the parrot huzz to a party and drink alcohol. That shit. There's only one bag of bird feed left, so I'm not gonna lie, Archie, you're not gonna live to see tomorrow. Respectfully. Just gotta wait for the fucking the fucking fingers to appear. That sounds so good. I'm gonna put that line, but this shit's so fucking loud. What about the bookshelf? What if it is close to my room? My room. About to fight? A note. Patient record. Patient name John Morgan. Date of admission 2/14/2024. Guess my clone's racking up bills now. Date of discharge 2/28/2024. Yo, dog, I still haven't read all that. Seriously, who is this? Is it you? I know it's fucking you. Fucking bitch. I've been fucking feeding you all this time, and you've been racking up bills in my name. You know I don't got fucking money for you or me. Tomorrow's gonna be our last day alive, cause we ain't got food, no water, none of that. And you wanna spend all the money on parties for the bird hose. They even fuck you, bro. They fuck all the other people instead of you. You hosting a party ain't got fucked. You sorry as fuck. Fucking bitch. Couldn't even talk to you couldn't even talk to the bars in your cell. You couldn't even talk to me. The first time you talked to me was in your sleep. You were sleep talking. That's the only time you talk. Fucking loser. Shit. Anyways, what was I supposed to do? Enjoy that while it lasts, huh? Enjoy it. Savor it. Piece of shit. Fuck. What now? Archie does not deserve. He deserves worse, actually. I guess it's time to sleep. I'm gonna use you as cat food. I'm gonna use you as my food. You're already fat enough as you is, bro. That's why no host can fuck you. You're barely covering up your pieces and balls, if you even had it, because you were neutered. Fucking loser. Why is it so foggy in the morning? I was neutered too. Alright, that's the most insane shit I've ever said on this channel. I should cheer Archie up. Yo, you're a fucking bitch. You never go mountain. You never amounted to anything, bro. You're a bitch. You know that? Fucking bird. I fucking hate parrots, dog. Domesticated ones, at least. I don't know. They just seem like such a bitch to me. I'm not gonna lie. You going to die today. You gonna be my food tomorrow, little bitch. Damn, what now? No. Hold on. Gotta. Oh, shit. No, we just, they call me Picasso around these parts. I'm a baby boy. I recently sold an artwork worth $2 billion, and now I'm at the trenches type shit. Oh shit! I did it once again. My dumb ass. With full capitalization too, bruh. That's how you know I hate him. What should I do to cheer him up? Yo, shut the fuck up. Feeling better now, Archie? Yeah, I bet you are. Fucking loser. Better now, Archie. You like it when I take care of you, huh? Yeah, you should fucking savor that. I'm doing this on my free will. Take care of you, huh? I wish someone would do the same for me. Yeah. Same for me. Archie deserves better than this. He deserves worse, bruh. He needs to be out in the fucking jungle where the fucking jungle cats eat him up like a fucking... Be at the Chinese food. Type shit. Let's see what else I can do. I spell penis. What the fuck? Oh shit. What the fuck? Ivy. I remember Ivy. Are you sure? I need you, Cecil. I need you. Where is Omni at? Where is he? We were at a park. Are you sure? Yo, son, scrolling Instagram Reels has done irreversible damage to me, bruh. I was just filled with Mexican dudes crashing out and sea salt type shit. I wonder where she is now. Dead. I don't make the rules here, buddy. Type shit. The pit won't feed itself. The pit? The fuck you mean the pit? Yo, dog, it's so fucking hot in here, dog. Gotta record another 3 blankets for crisp audio quality. The crispest it can be, like Little Caesar's pizza type shit. What the fuck is making all these fucking stains anyway? Is it you? You've had enough. I don't like going up. You're a bitch, you know that? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It wasn't supposed to be like this. I've been meaning to speak with Archie. I've been thinking about things, Archie. The pirate? Thinking, Archie. Thinking. Are you sure? I should start spicing up in my days. They feel so bland. I guess they last 3 minutes. What do you think, Archie? You're just here laughing. The bookshelf, the bookshelf. The bookshelf. The bookshelf. Time to sleep. No. We still have something to do here, young man. You got the bookshelf to look after, type shit. Not Archie this time. The bookshelf. Alright, well, anyways, I'm just gonna go to sleep. I should sleep in real life, bro. This is so fucking stupid of me. I'm gonna be sleeping all throughout the day, bro. I'm such a fool. Indeed. I can't sleep. There's something wrong with the bookshelf. There must be. It was never this close to my room. Okay, bro. Is that it? Oh shit, clearly it's not it. She deserved it. I'm so sorry, Ivy. Are you sure? It had to be this way. For the better. The better. You know, something you wouldn't know about, Archie. You fucking piece of shit. Stop fucking looking at me like that. Hold on, I'm gonna make this even more geeked than it is. See, Archie is now erased from my memory. He wasn't even there. Oh my goodness. How insane is that? Absolutely insane fight. Anyways, where to? Nowhere, I guess. I should probably speak to Archie. He can fucking flame me for going over. What the fuck? Why are you here, Archie? I'm always here, John. Always. I don't understand. Oh, but you do. You remember. You do remember, don't you? No, I don't. I don't want to remember. Dude, this shit's getting intense. But you do. You must. She deserved better, John. Ivy. Ivy was my everything. Is this based on Garfield? Your everything. Yeah, you took it all away. Why, John? I didn't mean to. It was an accident. No. I don't think so, man. I don't think an accident. Is that what you tell yourself? Is that the truth? Type shit. I didn't mean to hurt her. I loved her. I don't think so, young man. Love? Is that what love looks like, John? Blood, tears, death? Stop it. Stop twisting this. You twisted her throat type shit. Twisted her entire head upside down. 180 degrees. I'm not twisting anything. I'm only echoing you, John. You fucking bitch. I tried to move on. I wanted to forget. None of that was gonna work. But the bookshelf, I won't let you. It remembers. It always remembers. Oh shit. I read that completely wrong. The bookshelf. The room behind it. You hid it away, didn't you? Locked it up tight, but the fucking memories came in flooding in, like oh shit, sweet. No, I buried it. I buried her. But she's not buried, John. Not in here. Not in your mind. Yeah. Then what do I do? How do I fix this? Fix it? You can't fix it. You can't fix the past, John. But you can face it. Face it? How? The mountain is waiting. The void is calling. It's time to do this, John. Oh. So this is what it's come to, huh? Decide. Just gotta reiterate one last time because I fucking hate parrots. I suppose this is the only way forward. Jumping down like this shit Fortnite. Memories Mercy. Oh shit. Ivy. Are you sure? I need you, Cecil. I need you. Where's Are you sure? Thanks for playing Behind the Shelf. This game is inspired by the recent popular horror game, Let 'Em Go. Oh, really? Special thanks to huge blah 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 blah. Thank you for playing. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for the next game coming soon, created by CLS. Don't forget to join the group for our future updates. Yeah, that was a pretty good game, I can't lie. Very fascinating story. I don't fucking like Archie though. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, and it's fuck Archie. Moderation message. I think 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2? What's the second one? Let me leave. Oh shit. Let me leave the bitch. What's the second one? Memory Mender. You'll never left Archie. You won't forget that. Fate's price. You waited too long. The cost of visitation is irreversible. Alright, so it's pretty easy to get that last one. I don't know about the second one, but yeah, I ain't doing all that again. Oh shit, live on a taco. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. And the guy who made Cute Girl 555. Great. And I'll see you all next time. That way.